Hi everyone, welcome to Fruit Fiesta. Today we're going to learn about some amazing fruits.
I'm pineapple, I'm sweet and juicy with a spiky top. The pineapple has a spiky top, spiky top, spiky top. The pineapple has a spiky top,
Tropical treat.
Bananas are long and yellow. They're super easy to eat and are packed with potassium. The banana is yellow and long. The banana is yellow and long. Peel it and eat. Grapes are small and can be red, green, or purple. They're sweet and fun to eat by the bunch or turn into delicious grape juice. The grapes are little and round. The grapes are little and round. Pop them in your mouth. Watermelons are huge and have lots of water in them. They're red inside with black seeds and very refreshing. The watermelon is big and sweet, sweet and sweet, sweet and sweet. The watermelon is big and sweet, sweet and sweet. Slice it up and eat. I'm an apple, I come in many colors like red, green, and yellow. The apple is red and crunchy. The apple is red and crunchy, juicy and sweet.
I'm mango.
I'm here to share all the fun and yummy things about me. The mango's sweet and yellow, juicy and so bright. Mangoes make a yummy treat, healthy and so sweet.
I'm orange.
I'm a citrus fruit that's round and orange.
Orange.
Bright and round, juicy and sweet and oh so sound. Peel me off and you will see segments full of vitamin C.
Orange.
Bright and round, healthy treat that's always found.
Thanks for joining us on Fruit Fiesta. Remember to eat lots of fruits and have a fruity day. Bye-bye, and keep enjoying your fruits.